In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature on Pandadoc. If you use Pandadoc regularly for managing document signatures, knowing how to update your signature can be very useful. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll provide some handy tips along the way to ensure everything makes perfect sense. First of all, you'll need to log into your Pandadoc account. Of course, this might seem a little basic, but it's important to start from scratch. Make sure you're using your correct login credentials for uninterrupted access to your account. On the off chance you've forgotten your password, just follow their password recovery process and you'll be back on track in no time. Once you've logged in, the next step is to head to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the settings option. Clicking on the settings tab opens up your personalized Pandadoc preferences and options you are allowed to customize. Now, within the settings menu, you'll see a panel on the left. Here, you'll want to click on My Account. This section holds your specific account settings, including the area we are particularly interested in today, your signature. Now comes the part that really matters. Scroll down to the section labelled Signature. When you find it, you'll notice the option to change signature. Click on this to open up the different ways you can modify or update your signature. Pandadoc offers 3 convenient methods for creating or updating your signature, which gives you flexibility based on your available tools and preferences. Let's explore these options a bit further. The first option is Upload Image. If you already have a digital image of your signature stored on your computer, this is a quick and easy option. Simply click to upload, select your image file, and your signature will be ready in seconds. Alternatively, if you are working on a touchscreen device, the Draw Signature option might be the most straightforward method. Using your finger or a stylus, you can draw your signature directly onto the interface. It's almost like signing a paper document, just digital, which is both practical and modern. The final option is the Type Signature feature. This might be particularly useful if you don't have access to a touchscreen or image file of your signature. All you need to do is type your name, and Pandadoc will transform it into a stylish, printable signature version for you. Once you have chosen and created your new signature with your preferred method, remember to hit Save. This final step ensures your updated signature is stored and immediately ready for use in your future Pandadoc documents. And there you have it. Following these simple steps, you can easily change your signature on Pandadoc and keep your document processing both flexible and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.